পিওটা দাও লিখতে পারো লিঙ্কটা পাঠিয়ে দেবো
দেরি আছে
বিয়ে দিয়ে খাইতাম বলে যাও তাড়াতাড়ি বিয়ে করো
হ্যালো এটা কই না 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 এ করছে না দেখছি তো প্যান্টটা কই না না আমার কাছে নাই তো এখন না লিখলো
এখন তো রিয়াল লিখি এই রিয়া এখন তো লিখি না তারপরে কি করছো
So which tourist site is also known as the land of eternal romance? It is Tejpur. In Tejpur, and why it is called the land of eternal romance? Why it is called the land of eternal romance? Because in Indian, according to Indian mythological love story, Indian mythological love story of Princess Usha, Indian mythological love story of Princess Usha, that is the daughter of she is the daughter of King Banasura, daughter of King Banasura, daughter of King Banasura, and Prince Aniruddha, Prince Aniruddha. That why the Tejpur is known as the land of eternal romance? Because according to the Indian mythological love story, that is the Prince Usha. Who is Prince Usha? Prince Usha was the daughter of King Banasura, and love story between Princess Usha and Prince Aniruddha. Prince Aniruddha is the grandson of Lord Krishna, grandson of Lord Krishna, grandson of Lord Krishna. So this is the mythological love story between Princess Usha and Prince Aniruddha. So Prince Aniruddha was the grandson of Lord Krishna, and Princess Usha was the daughter of King Banasura. So their love story, it is named as this place Tejpur is named as the land of eternal romance. That is the according to Indian mythological love story of Princess Usha and Prince Aniruddha. And Princess Usha was the daughter of King Banasura, and Aniruddha was the grandson of Lord Krishna. So their love story renamed as the land of eternal romance in Tajpur. So another important point is that which country is known as eternal city? Which country? Which country? Which country is known as eternal city? Eternal city. Which country is also known as eternal city? That is Rome. Answer is Rome. So Rome is known as the eternal city. And another important point is that Agnigar Fortress, Agnigar Fortress, Agnigar Fortress is located in which place of India? So Agnigar Fortress is located in which place of India? Agnigar Fortress. So Agnigar Fortress is located in Tejpur, in Assam. Tejpur, Assam. And Tejpur city is located on the bank of which river? It is Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra river. So Tejpur is located on the bank of which river? It is Brahmaputra river. And Agnigar Fortress is located at which place? It is in Tejpur. Tejpur, Assam. And which country is known as eternal city? It is Rome. Rome. And which tourist site is known as the land of eternal romance? Which tourist site is known as the land of eternal romance? It is Tejpur. Why? Why it is named as land of eternal romance? Because according to the Indian mythological love story between Princess Usha and Prince Aniruddha. So who was Princess Usha? Princess Usha was the daughter of King Banasura, and Prince Aniruddha was the grandson of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna. Next question is, name the popular picnic spot. Name the popular picnic spot. Name the popular picnic spot near Guwahati. Near Guwahati. Name the popular picnic spot near Guwahati. It is, name of the place is Chandubi Lake. Chandubi Lake. Next one is Hatsila, Hatisila, Chandubi Lake, Hatisila. Next is Kopili, Kopili and Ukiam, and Ukiam. So, the famous popular picnic spot near Guwahati are Chandubi Lake, Hatisila, Kopili and Ukiam. Chandubi Lake, CHKU. Chandubi Lake, Hatisila, Chandubi Lake, Hatisila, Kopili and Ukiam and Ukiam. So these are the picnic spots near Guwahati. So these are the important picnic spots near Guwahati. It is Chandubi Lake, Hatisila and Kopili and Ukiam. It is Ukiam. Now let's move to the next question. The Bihu festival the Bihu festival is associated with harvest, because the Bihu festival is associated with harvest, and it is the Bihu festival is the agricultural festival of Assam. So it is the agricultural Bihu festival is the agricultural festival of Assam. Agricultural festival of Assam. Agricultural festival of Assam. So there are three types of Bihu. First one is Rongali Bihu. Rongali Bihu. Rongali Bihu. Rongali Bihu is also known as Bohag Bihu. Bohag Bihu, and it is celebrated in the month of April. And it is celebrated in the month of April. And we have studied earlier in the previous question that Rongali Bihu is first celebrated in Ranghar. So house of entertainment, royal entertainment, house of entertainment. Rongali Bihu is celebrated in the Ranghar. Next one is Rongali. So remove R and place K. This Kongali. Kongali Bihu. Kongali Bihu. And Kongali Bihu is also known as Kati Bihu. Kati Bihu. And it is celebrated in the month of October. And it is celebrated in the month of October. Last one is Bhogali Bihu. Bhogali Bihu. Bhogali Bihu or Magh Bihu. Magh Bihu, and it is celebrated in the month of January. And it is celebrated in the month of January. So these are the three types of Bihu that is celebrated in Assam, and Bihu festival is considered as the agricultural festival of Assam. So there are three types of bihu. That is, first one is Rongali bihu, that is celebrated in the month of April. Next one is Kongali bihu. So omit R and place K, that is Kongali. R in place of R, place K, that is Kongali bihu. And Kongali bihu is also known as Kati bihu. So Rongali bihu or Bohag bihu, Rongali bihu, Kongali bihu and Bhogali bihu. So these are the three important bihus that is celebrated in the month of April, October and January. So that is, the question may also come that in the month of April, which bihu festival is celebrated in Assam? In the month of April, October, which bihu festival is celebrated in Assam? In the month of January, which bihu is celebrated in Assam? That is Rongali RKB. RKB. R stands for Rongali. So omit R, place K, it is Kongali. Rongali bihu or Bohag bihu. Rongali bihu or Bohag bihu is celebrated in the month of April. Next, second one is Kongali bihu or Kati bihu is celebrated in the month of October. And the third one is Bhogali bihu or Magh bihu, that is celebrated in the month of January. That's all from today's class. So thank you all and have a nice day. So we will discuss the rest of the topic in the next class. So that's all from the today's class. Thank you all.